Buddies! You might have seen unboxing of cell phones, laptops, digital cameras, but have you ever seen unboxing of tires? High performance tires? Well, you're gonna see it today. Now, guess, you guys, I'll give you 5 seconds. Guess which brand tires are these? I can tell you that it is time for us to forget Metzelers, Pirelli, and any of the other international brands because we have our very own Apollo Tyres, which has produced these world-class W-rated tires which can do speeds above 270 kilometers per hour, soft compound tires, and these would be priced about 15 to 20% lesser than Metzeler M7 tires. And we usually use Metzeler M5s on our Dukes and RC 390s. But the Metzeler M5 tires are H-rated. It means they can do about 210 kilometers an hour. Of course, that is more or less enough because the Dukes and RCs can't do more than about 180 kilometers per hour. But these are really high performance tires. So enough said, let me unbox them and show them to you, and we will go and speak about them more. I would like to be careful. This is a soft compound tire. I don't want to cut the tire while unboxing it. Really nice packing also by Apollo Tyres. Now these are prototype. I mean, no one else has them in the market. Only I have them for now. I was invited by Apollo for their launch event and they sent me a set. Very kind of Apollo to do that. So I will be testing these tires very soon on my Duke 390 and I will let you know how they perform. But they have already been tested in Chennai. Lot of testing has been done by national champions on the racetrack, on the road, on sand, everywhere. Moment of truth. Wow! The tire, I gotta tell you this, buddies, the tire looks absolutely yummy. I feel like biting the tire. I mean, the rubber feels so good. Let me take off the wrap completely. Woo! See the tread pattern and see the tire for yourself, buddies. Apollo, our very own Indian brand. Very proud that this tire is made in India. And let me show the ratings to you. Now this size is 150 by 60 by 17. 17 is the rim size, 60 is the profile, and 150 is the width of the tire. Here we go. W rating. You see this? Well over 270 kilometers per hour this tire can do. So it means that you can put these tires onto a 600cc motorcycle also. If a 600cc rim can fit a 150 size tire, you can do it and you can do speeds of well over 270 kilometers an hour. And the tread pattern is really good for wet grip also. So this is good for the racetrack, this is good for the highway. When you're riding on the highway, if it rains, this tread pattern can throw out water and you would not aquaplane. And a few facts about this tire. Now we all have been buying Metzeler tires for our Duke and RC 390s, correct? Metzeler tires are great, the M5s, the M7s, but they only last about 8,000 kilometers for the rear and about 12 or 13,000 kilometers for the front, which is not enough at all, which is really, really less. But that is where the Apollo Alpha H1. Did I tell you the name, by the way? Okay, this tire is known as Apollo Alpha H1. So this one lasts 50% more than a Metzeler M5 or M7 tires. So let us put the math together. So this one, if a Metzeler ridden very well, if it can do about 10,000 kilometers, This one can do 15,000 plus kilometers for the rear tire. And for the front tire, if a Metzeler can do about 13 to 14,000 kilometers on the front, this can do close to 20,000 kilometers. Isn't that really good? And as I mentioned that they're made in India, the pricing would be very competitive. I don't know the exact pricing. I can tell you they would be priced about 20% lesser than Metzeler M7s, not the M5s. So pricing would be very competitive. And one more very important fact, that is on high performance motorcycles like the RC390 or the Duke 390 or on any 600cc that you wish to put these tires on, we got to remember that they cannot be heavy, because high performance and weight doesn't go hand in hand. These tires should be very light, ideally, and yes, they're very light. You see this? I can lift this tire with just my one finger. So that is a very, very good point about these tires. Very lightweight tires. And these are radials, by the way. Remember that. Apollo is going to advertise these tires for the RC390 because their testing has been done on the RC390, and these tires would be advertised mentioning that they are built for the RC390. But you can put them onto the Duke 390 also, because they are the same tire size, same rim size for the Duke 390. You can put them onto the 200 series also. The Duke 200, the RC 200, they are the same rim size. And with my experience, I can tell you that you can put these onto a 600cc motorcycle also. And if you are a very big enthusiast and you love your motorcycle, then if you own a Dominar 400, you can put this tire set onto a Dominar 400 also. That is it, buddies, from my side. So all the prayers of the motorcycle enthusiasts have been answered, and Apollo has produced this awesome set of tire. And well, officially they would be launched in about a couple of months from now. Keep an eye on the news. Whenever you hear Apollo, Alpha, H1, close your eyes and buy them. And I already have a set. I'll put them onto my Duke 390 soon. If you have any questions regarding this tire, put them up in the comments. I'll try to answer. And if you're not subscribed to me, you're missing out on about 650 videos of mine. So do subscribe. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.